In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Picture-in-Picture in Chrome or Edge. Picture-in-Picture is a really useful feature when you want to keep watching a video while doing something else on your computer at the same time. For example, you might want to follow a tutorial, take notes, reply to messages, or work in another tab without losing sight of the video. The video stays visible in a small floating window, and you can move it around your screen wherever it works best for you. To get started, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to YouTube and open the video you want to watch. Make sure the video is playing or ready to play so you can easily access the Picture-in-Picture option. Now, move your mouse over the video and right-click on it. On YouTube, this can sometimes be a little tricky because the first right click may open YouTube's own menu instead of the browser's menu. If that happens, just right click again on the video area. You should then see the menu that includes the Picture-in-Picture option. When you see Picture-in-Picture, click on it. As soon as you do that, the video will pop out into a small floating window. This window stays on top of your other apps and browser tabs, which makes it very convenient if you want to keep the video visible while working on something else. After the video pops up, you can simply drag the floating window and place it anywhere on your screen. A lot of people like to move it to one of the corners so it doesn't block the main area they're working in. You can position it wherever it feels most comfortable and easiest to watch. This is especially helpful if you're watching an educational video and taking notes at the same time. You can keep the video playing in the small window while you write in a document, browse another page, or continue working without needing to constantly switch back and forth. That's all you need to do. Open Chrome or Edge, go to YouTube, right-click on the video, choose Picture-in-Picture, and then drag the floating video window wherever you want on your screen. It's a simple feature, but it can make multitasking much easier and a lot more efficient.